Alright guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing a Cirkul. Um yeah, do you get it? We're gonna be unboxing a Cirkul. Finally, water is your favorite beverage. Includes this. Yeah, let's just get onto it. Let's just get unboxing. I already unboxed whatever. Alright, fill, fasten, dial 911 and drink. That's very all right. Let's just get unboxing. Better for the environment. Better design, better for you. And here it is. Let's take this out. All right, so I took it out. Let's take the rest of it. Water. Wait. Water you waiting for? Oh my gosh, I get it. All right, so I took it out and this is it. This is the bottle. Cirkul. Guys, I unboxed a Cirkul. Anyways, here are the 2 packs. One is let's see what this says. Fit Sip, mixed berry. Anyways, we got, and then the next thing we have is Life Sip fruit punch. I'm about to punch you in there. Anyways, guys, that's it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this very special video. Yeah, I am not sponsored by